Joey.
What?
We have decided to clean the garage, haven't we?
After our, we don't really have anything to show.
Yes, we do.
After our Harbor Freight haul you saw in the last video.
Yep. It's cleaning time.
We need to put things places in the right places and not
Yes.
the wrong places.
I have gotten the motivation to clean my garage.
And I'm here.
And Joey's here. So we're gonna do a
first startup of the year.
First startup of the year. See how smoky she is, or if it even turns on before the battery dies. Wait for it. Hey! Turn it down. There you go. Look at that. Oh, wait. The push thing is on.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the smoke. Woo!
I don't want to touch on it. I don't think I'm going to clear that.
Yeah, a little bit. Beautiful.
This is the daily.
As you guys can see, we've got a lot of shite to put away.
From Sears, Mr. Sears,
Yep.
Mr. Cub Cadet, Mr. Quad. I don't think we ever even showed you.
No,
This was supposed to be a project, not ours, but
it's mostly
kind of ours.
Mr. Frame. That's what it's
Yeah.
called now.
So we're probably gonna scrap most of this.
We're gonna take the springs,
Shocks, brakes.
the brakes. The front
Tires.
brakes are still good.
I mean,
I dismantled the back brake and lost all the parts for it.
the only
about
issue with
4
the
years ago.
quad was the battery, right? Or
Yeah.
it wouldn't charge. So that's what.
The engine kept shutting off when the battery would die.
So I mean, we got a pretty much perfectly good frame. We don't know if we're gonna scrap it yet. Probably
Right.
will, just because it's
I
useless.
talked to
now.
my mom. She wanted it scrapped. So
It's. I mean, it's stripped. We probably couldn't even put everything back together anyway because it was Chinese made. I think everything was just like on there, like you don't ever take it off.
Yeah, it was crazy.
So this thing's done for, except for all the parts we're gonna keep. So that's
Right.
gonna go.
We're gonna keep the engine,
Yeah.
which is over here, which has been apart for quite a while.
For
Needs
an
a little-
upcoming project. I'll just say that much.
Yeah.
Hopefully upcoming project.
Yeah, yeah. It's a 110, believe it or not, this small little thing. So, and we got the carburetor for it. Right there.
Everything should be good to go on that guy. We
Yeah.
just got to figure out a way to get it charged.
Last time I used it, the starter went out.
Oh.
The starter went out.
See, I'm not an expert. If you're an expert, please let us know. Could we somehow jerry-rig a pull start system for that?
Yeah, let
Put
us
it
know.
down there in the comments, please.
Alrighty, we're gonna get to cleaning this place.
Hey, Byron.
Hey. Hello.
This is my new favorite segment. What's your redneck advice of the day?
Well,
Save
you
the
know,
elk.
if she's lean, she's mean. So I got this old scooter. She was running rich for a bit, and you lean her out and made her mean. Picked up a few horses, as in like half.
Half a horse.
What I was saying, 14 to 7 fuel to air ratio. Lean is mean.
Lean,
Likes to run
lean is
tough.
mean unless it's really high RPMs, and then lean is bad.
Yes, yes. If you're going around town and doing a little bit of little mud bogging or something, it's pretty good.
Don't go too rich or too lean. Just right.
Right, just right.
So,
Oh yeah.
we haven't really done enough to make an update, but
Basically just moved all the lawn stuff out.
all the lawn stuff's gone. We're cleaning. I should have said that.
Well, I kind of guess because all that stuff
Yeah.
is here and it's
Makes sense. I knew you weren't stupid, but, you know, I'm
Well,
just kind
sometimes
Why
I
not?
am.
Why not?
of dumb. I like your swag you're rocking today. The
Yeah.
Kimbo Les Schwab and the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation
Oh yeah.
hat.
Hey, look what I found.
Oh,
I thought we were gonna shop towels. Found about half a roll.
we almost bought
Nice.
some today.
It's a little more than half a roll.
The stuff you find in our garage. Progress update.
Yeah.
We've done, I don't know, we've moved the 4-wheeler.
Found a golf ball.
I found a golf ball for Joey.
Look at, I can go all the way back to these cabinets.
Yeah, it's crazy. We're kind of at the point where we can't move too much without having like a junk trailer to take to the dump.
All of this? Most of this. I shouldn't say all this.
I feel like most of this can be put away because she wants this train set. These tarps are nice. This tube is garbage. This is for a lawnmower. There's chairs that can be put away in there. So I'll probably attack this on my own time when she's around. We got a target for, you know, practice. I'm gonna get rid of that little thing. So yeah, that's what we've done. It's a start, and I've kind of started putting tools away. Obviously haven't like committed to that.
Ignore the coat underneath.
Yeah. So it's kind of hard to see what this is gonna look like, but it'll look good. There's just shite everywhere. Hello everybody, and welcome to part 2 of cleaning my my garage. As you can see, I've taken way more stuff out now. I got so much shit in here. I've just been kind of moving everything out so I can start putting stuff like away where it should go. I've brought all that out. The table's out. Everything's out of here. Well, not everything, obviously, but it's coming along. It's very tiring. I'm quite tired right now, but that's my path of garbage heading out here. So, yeah, just want to give you guys a little update on what I've been doing. Progress update. I've done quite a lot, I think. I don't know. To me, it doesn't feel like I've done a lot, but on video, I bet it looks like a lot. I've took all the bins out from this corner over here and stuck them all on the wall and labeled them. We got some pretty cool stuff in these. We got some electrical sanding stuff, screws, and some shelving. So if I want to build a little desk in this corner, once I clear everything out, I could. Or that corner, who knows? Probably won't build anything in that corner because our well is right there, and if it breaks again, we'll have to break my desk down. I don't want to do that. But yeah, I'm working from the back and going forward. So you can see where I kind of stopped. I've just got, I'm gonna figure out where I should put the paint, move the paint somewhere, probably on one of these empty spots in the shelves, and clean this corner out, and then move on over to this side. I'm really excited to clean this out because we got some pretty cool ideas for this pegboard in here. Alrighty, it is now day 3 of me cleaning the garage, and it looks like I've made negative progress, but I can assure you, I've made positive progress. I've brought everything out from the sides. Well, I put some of these things back in, I just had to start recording again. I just brought everything out from the sides and cleaned it. As you can see, it's all clean. I didn't sweep because, you know, sweeping's boring. I just used the shop vac because that thing will literally suck up anything. I sucked up so many bolts and washers with that thing. This is the best shop vac I've ever owned. But I've just kind of pulled everything away. There's a few things in here. And I'm going to put them all back on the wall. I'm going to put this wood along the side here out of the way. And then I'm going to move over to this section of the garage and figure out where I got to put all of this crap. I know I can put all of this away. I know exactly where to go, but I just haven't attacked it yet. But yeah, that's that update, and then I should be moving on over here. Update. I've cleared out this big spot for we're gonna put the desk we bought right here, and done a little bit more moving around. I'm gonna put all the stuff back in that empty spot and move the wood, The wood's all behind there now. I greased the toolbox, so all the drawers open and close now. Nice and easy. Still gotta, this is probably the last thing I'm gonna do is sort all of the tools in here. Yeah, this blue thing is going to a yard sale, so this might not be here. This gray chair, my dad wants that, and also this gray seat too he wants. So these two will be gone. I kind of want to keep this red one to like sit on and do stuff in here, because you know, other than that, there's like no chairs in here, no place to sit. Oh yeah, and this, we were gonna buy I wanted to buy a clamp, and I found one just laying in the back corner. And this one, like, it pivots. I haven't seen any of them do that before. This one looks very, very old. Like, this is a little locking thing to keep it from spinning. Obviously, it's not bolted down, but I put this on tight, and as you can see now, it doesn't want to spin. So that was a nice find, because I was going to buy one at Harbor Freight. Oh, one more thing. I also vacuumed the ceiling around the lights, so there's no more cobwebs hanging down from the lights anymore. Obviously the light kind of throws it off, but they're still dirty from like just crap and dirt being on them. I gotta push that cord back up and knock that down. I was vacuuming, but the ceiling doesn't look spooky anymore, at least some parts that I haven't really gotten to, like that part. But all the lights look good. I vacuumed the walls back there as much as I could. I obviously haven't gotten over there yet, but I found 2 black widows. One was on one of those boards over there, and one was in that corner behind one of the little railings. But alright, that's it. Alrighty, welcome to day 5 of my cleaning extravaganza. I skipped day 4 because I didn't really do too much on day 4. I kind of got bored of cleaning, and I went and worked on my other little tractor I had, so that's what I did yesterday. Well, I did a little bit in here, but it was mostly just me messing around. But yeah, I've cleaned it up. I'm getting ready to sweep the floor right now. There's still some leaves and stuff everywhere. There's a piece of plastic there. Everything's not like 100% put away. Like, I still got some stuff over there. I got a tool belt on top of that foam. These chairs my dad's taking, so this area we'll clean out. We're waiting for the yard sale, which is happening on the 27th of this month, so we're gonna try and sell a lot of the stuff that's in here, which is why it's still kind of crammed in here. But for the most part, I got a clean area. And then I did this today. I kind of was messing around with these little bucket things. I need to add a light up here to shine in on here, but it's only slight design flaw of this is there's no 2x4s running this way along the pegboard, so I had to screw. I was just seeing if this would work. I put a screw into the pegboard. There's one in the middle and one on the end, and it seems to be holding quite well. I mean, it's not going anywhere. You can't really tell, but it's pretty sturdy. I think it'll work just for nuts and bolts, but I'm gonna add a few more. This was just a test thing. I don't even know if I'll keep that one there or not, but who knows. But yeah, this area is clean. I've got the pulling section. We got some bungee cords, some chains, come-alongs. I didn't know where to put the square, so I put that there. But got the trailer hitch up there. This will be maybe a little lawnmower section. I'm not sure yet. And this is just some other stuff I haven't moved out of here. But this is all clean. And then we got over here the mainly used tools. Got the battery charger, the saws, the breaker bar, hammers, lights, Dremel, and a shit ton of extension cords. And a massive pipe wrench. That's what that's called. I forgot. I don't know if we're keeping that. We want to get rid of this thing. but I just stuck it there for now because why not? This will be a little, put the ladders here. I want to build a desk like I've said before, but this is just a little temporary setup because I'm getting tired of cleaning, obviously. Sorted all the stuff in the shelves. Got a little RC section, tire section. You know, who doesn't want a tire section? Really got the chairs. There's paint under there. And then I'm gonna put the put my little desk here. So yeah, I'm gonna sweep the floor real quick and I will be right back. Another thing, this thing would always play just the radio. Well, I found a little Bluetooth cassette player and I can play my music on my speaker. Here's my, see? Pretty cool. So, cool. Wind. So we now got a Bluetooth speaker. It only works sometimes because you gotta like mess with this because it doesn't sit right because those Bluetooth cassette adapters are kind of weird sometimes, but looks like the dogs decided to move in. But yeah, all clean. Alrighty, and this is the garage with everything in it. I built this desk, this little workbench, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty cool. Took me a little while to build. I figured you guys didn't really need to see a video of me trying to put something together, but it's got a little light. Wait for it. There it goes. But yeah, there's that. This will be cool to do little clean projects on. You know, don't get that too dirty, or you know, do smaller projects on that. I don't know, just projects in general. Obviously, got my truck in here. Plenty of room. Obviously, this stuff will be moved around, you know, as we move stuff around. This four-wheeler, as you know, is going. And then this little stroller thing we're going to take to the yard sale and see if we can't sell that. So hopefully this little stroller thing will go away. But the four-wheeler and these other little devices are staying here. I mean, obviously you can't get everything out of your garage just so you can work in it. Some of the stuff needs to stay in here. So, but hopefully we can get rid of these two, and then we'll have just that much more space. But I've got plenty of room for the four-wheeler, the two lawn mowers, and then those chairs back there are gonna go, or as far as this big one right here and this gray one. But yeah, there's obviously plenty of room in here now, and you back my truck out and there's lots of working space. And we got over here the little walkway. So yeah, lots of room in here now, plenty of working space. It's nice and clean. I still need to, there's so much shit in here. The wind was just blowing. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Still gotta clean up a little things just laid around in random places. I haven't gone through my toolbox. I haven't cleaned off the counters thoroughly yet. As you can see, there's still an oil spill here. And then I'll mount this somewhere. But there's still a little bit of stuff to do in here. I just haven't been around to it. But yeah. Alright, so next video should be us actually finally working on stuff again. It's been a little while. We've been last 2 weeks have been a road trip, and now this video. So yep, next video should be us finally working on some stuff again. So yep, see you guys in the next video. Peace.